Xterra is always willing to help, and we need to pull the battery. As normal, we have a missing battery bracket and bungee cords. They always work, and they're cheap. Okay, battery's out. Vehicle has been sitting since April 2019. Let's see if she will fire it up. Have a good connection. Has 499,191 kilometer. 5-speed, manual shift, sweet, pretty clean, nice, no rust. Does it fit?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, your Nissan terminals are in the same spot. Oh yeah, we'll do it. Engine 3S FE, same as on Camrys. Very reliable, super simple. Oil on a dipstick. That's what we need to know. Let's check the coolant. We have a coolant. That's good. Coolant level is fine. Chad, let's try it. First try. Yeah, try it a few times, see how it works. No clutch, no? Okay. Ooh, she wants to go back on the road. Let it idle. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, man, I'm a Toyota guy now.
Yeah. We should get back her to life. Look at her, she's smoking because she has been sitting for so long.
Probably it's got old gas in it.
Yeah, and a half.
Put in a battery and fire it up.
Fire it up. Toyota, Scotty Kilmer was right, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we'll put a new clutch and she will be good to go. Rock and roll, yeah? Like, have an ABS slide. Oh, we have like over half a tank. Yeah, good idles. Oh gosh, just no problem. Oh, look at the smoke. She will stop because she's been sitting for too long. Idles will drop. Oh yeah, she's working. Running really good on all cylinders. Right on. Toyota. Thanks a lot. Throttle. Really good, yeah. Good power. She stopped smoking, burned all oil which was sitting. Yeah. Purring. That exhaust and heat shield is rattling a little bit. And yeah, sweet. Everything's working, and we have a diff lock. Let's try to. Well, we know there's no clutch on it. There's nothing. No clutch, but she's good.